And? What do you think?
Slow boy.
I honestly hate those new headlights. That kind of looks like, that looks awful, to be honest. I like the 15 style headlights better than that. Those are too thin. And what up with the offset stripe?
Yeah, I don't like that. It's a Euro thing.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting off at a place some of you may like, others may not. We're at a Ford dealership. Not here for me. We're here for Ben. He's buying a Mustang today. Just kidding. We would never do that. It's funny because every time I hate on Fords, I get all the Ford people like lashing out in the comments. Every time I compliment Fords, I got everyone lashing out against Fords in the comments. It's so weird. It's beyond weird. But we're just here today. Ben's filming a video. We might stop at the whoa, we are totally on the curb.
Yeah.
Okay, that clutch is definitely burnt. But we may stop at the Chrysler dealership on the way home. It's not Coughlin Chrysler, but it's another one that got a wide variety and a good selection, so we might stop there too. But yep, that clutch is definitely burnt. Nice. Super booties on deck, though. Now I'm gonna give Ford credit on this one. This is an awesome color. It's almost like the Nacho, kind of. Not really. It's a little darker. It's like got a burnt tangerine orange. It's a nice color. I still do not like the front ends of these new Mustangs, I can tell you that much. Now they do have something extremely cool at this dealership, however. Checking it out right now, it's this Hummer H1 it looks like. Let's go take a look at it. I also finally put a windscreen on this, so maybe that might help out a little bit. Oh guys, these are actually 40 1550 or 40 1350 R17s on this. These are some big tires. They don't look as big on here as they are gonna look on my truck, but those are some big tires, as you can see. Good old Hummer. Keys are in it, man. This thing is sharp. Nice green color. Nice little truck bed. Cute. Cute little truck, but yeah, no, it's a beast. That would be a beast off-road. Here, somebody couldn't afford the extra ½ inch. This is only a 39.5 by 13 by 17. And these are all 40s. I don't know if this is the diesel or not. I asked the guy that was over here and he couldn't tell me. There's no badging on it. This thing has actually been like customized and stuff. I thought these were almost all diesel, but I could be mistaken, nor can I see in here. Everything's been removed, but it's definitely been put through its paces. You can see this. But 40s, man, those are some big tires. Actually funny, those 40s look bigger from over here than they do up there. I honestly cannot wait to get the 40s on my truck. That's gonna be absolutely insane.
Oh no, it's just a V8.
Just a V8.
V8 5.7.
It's not even diesel. Completely disregard that.
70, or they want 68 grand for it.
68 grand. Definitely would not pay that unless it was diesel.
Ooh, it's only got 37,000 on it.
Still, 68 grand for that. That's insane. Wait a second, stop. Look at who the fuck. Did somebody steal the tires off that Super Duty? Why are they so small? I can't tell if they're small because they look like that next to the 40s, but those look like super small. All right, this is a bit more like it. Just a bit.
Holy shit, they got a lot of Wranglers.
They have so many Wranglers. I can't believe they still have a yellow. Oh, they have an FA green, a yellow, plum crazy, Destroyer, black. Ooh, good old
SRT Durango.
Good old color match Ram, Rebel. Some new 19s, some leftover 18s, Cummins, blue color matched. Whoa, I like the painted Ram on the back of that, limited. That's sharp. Obviously, you know Amazon buys the Pro Masters. That's the only thing that'll get everything delivered on time. Half moosed, half flipped in. Ooh, is that tank? That's a nice color ruby. F1 lifted up. Ooh, regular cab Cummins 16 with the PAP cap. Another silver Cummins, needs cab lights. So last night it was actually super windy and this top of this light post like flipped open. I actually took my truck and moved it behind the Jetta because I didn't want this to fly off and like land on my hood. So I just completely moved this last night just to be safe.
Wehrli Custom Van, this is Ryan. How can I help you?
Hey, I was working with Jason on an estimate and I wanted to send my payment through.
Yeah, I can help you out with that.
Perfect.
Intake, You're gonna do the upgrade kit. We're gonna coat it on illusion purple.
Yes, sir. Okay, that sounds good. Do you need the security code on it, or? That is correct.
Perfect. Alrighty, bud. We'll go ahead and get that order processed for you today, okay?
All right, thank you.
No problem, sir. You have a good day.
You too. Bye. Whew, guys, I'm hesitant to put that order through for the longest time because I'm like, it's a lot of money. I don't know if you heard, it's like $924 some, which is like, whew. But it's a mod I've wanted to do forever. More engine mods, more air coming through. So that should be here. They're putting the order through. They got to order a few parts in, send the powder coating through. Like I said, I've been working on that for a minute, trying to get all that lined up because there's parts that they don't stock that I asked and I reached out and be like, hey, are you able to get this for me and put it together with the other parts they do stock? Can't wait to actually get this on. So that should be here soon, and that'll be an awesome video for you guys as well. So, ooh, totally in the middle of the lanes here. So it's actually one of the first extremely nice days in Ohio. I mean, it's spring and the sun's finally out. No more gloominess. So I'm going to wash this truck off, get a little, you know, get just the fine little bit of dirt, you know, salty, dirty water that got on it. And the sun is making this paint, you know, this Hills Green paint just pop. Excuse me while I beat some slow boys off the line here in the roundabout. But this sunlight is making this paint pop. So we're gonna wash her off and we're gonna go get some awesome pictures somewhere. I gotta figure out where I'm going, but the sun is really bringing out this awesome color today, so I have to take advantage of it. One thing here, I feel like the vacuums should not be before the wash, because like this guy's washing his thing, this wash bay is completely open, but this guy here is vacuuming his car, and after that there's vacuums out front. So my thing is, why on earth are there vacuums prior and after? I mean, people that just want to come vacuum their car, but the people who vacuum their car prior are holding up a wash bay. Someone, or me, could totally wash my entire truck right now while he's vacuuming his car. It's just a little thing that my mind just kind of turns sometimes. I'm like, probably not the best setup, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Alright guys, I say this every video, but like I wish it was warmer sooner in Ohio. It's the only thing that sucks about living like up here. Love the state, love all the laws, stuff like that. It's just so darn cold. I can't wash my truck without my hands freezing, and like I need to like take my microfiber mitt to the paint. I could just hear the paint crying. I'll show you when we get out. There's still like specks of stuff on there that won't come off of the power washer. Like there's just a haze over the paint, so it's like even though it's clean, it's still dirty, and it just and I gotta touch up paint. It just whew, but it's clean. Waiting for Ben over there to finish up. There will be some pictures of the beast. Okay, so sometimes you gotta get creative. We found a developing neighborhood here. There's absolutely nothing. The road ends right there. It's kind of neat going back here. It's an awesome, just free, open road. So I mean, obviously until they start building houses in here, but lots of land. Awesome photo opportunities. So guys, I don't know if you could tell, but this is what I'm talking about. You see all these little black dots? Like, I need to get like a foam cannon wash and wash mitt in here. It's just too darn cold. You can even see here, there's just like this haze on the paint that needs to go. Some of you are probably cringing and all that stuff, but but yeah, even down here, it just needs to be washed better. Down here I could probably even polish this out just a bit more. However, one awesome thing that I did notice while washing is the fender flares are already saving my truck. I know they weren't gonna do a lot, however, they just did enough. So I'm guessing that their tire kicked some there rock, not here obviously, but kicked some there rock back. And look at this. Right there, rock chip. So, from there to here, rock chip. I did save a big chunk of my paint. However, you do think of it this way, the flare is now chipped, so I'm gonna have to touch that up, but that's a removable piece. It's a little easier to touch up a flare than actual body paint. But the flares are doing their job. That's just that's awesome. That's the best. Oh, that's kind of the best feeling. I mean, I don't know how the 1550s are gonna do on the 40s when I go up a little bit bigger. But rock chips suck, man. They do. But I can say the truck does look good. That is for sure. It wasn't so clean. And it wasn't so mushy. Like, I mean, I got this stuff stuck all over my shoes. But it wasn't so clean and it wasn't so muddy. I'd totally run that right through here. I mean, if it was dirt, but the problem is, look at how, you know, wet that is. That would just ruin the whole semi-clean appearance I have. Probably don't want to do that. I really, wow, that's actually crazy because you're like, dang, look at all this brown. Like, oh, what is that? But I really need something I could just beat up, like a build or just something I can run through dirt, mud, rocks. Not really, I mean, still care about it, but not as much, because as dumb as this is gonna sound, having a really nice truck is actually really hard to do. You gotta keep it clean. You don't wanna run it through mud and dirt and rocks, and you don't wanna deal with any of the crap that comes with, pretty much everyday driving. And like if I had like a beater build, like a beater Jeep or something, I could run it right through this, have a fun time. Like, I miss those days back in the day when me and my buddies used to do that. But that's definitely a plan for this summer. Get a like a awesome beater build on this channel. Having a nice truck is actually a lot harder than you think. Having something nice, you have to keep it nice, and it's a lot of work. But I can say that it does look really good. And look at this, guys. It's literally like brown and dead trees and dirt and dirty asphalt. And look at how bright this is. This truck looks amazing. The lime green color, Hills green paint, if you don't know already. It's just a sharp truck. However, from back here, the 37s are just starting to look smaller and smaller every time. You know, like I said, it's still a waiting game, but I cannot wait to get the max altitude lift in the 40s on this guy. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. All right, this one might make a few of you mad. I really need a boat or something to tow. However, oh, now this picture is gonna be sick. I mean, kind of like, I mean, maybe. Man, that's gonna be awesome. I mean, we're now dirty again, but we're getting some sick Instagram pictures. Ben's over there flexing. I might need to throw it up on the curb. This is actually a solid birthday. I'm taking advantage of, you know, the beautiful light and my day off. I mean, on the Jeep, it's a little more prominent than I thought. But like if I threw my truck up there, I don't think you'd even be able to tell that I'm flexing. Just the green and the contrast of the dead trees right now, and then like the water. Oh, awesome shot. It's still freezing out here. All right, guys, not gonna lie, it's a little early in the day. It's about 4 something, but I think I'm gonna end this video here. It's my birthday. We're gonna go out with a few buddies tonight and get some wings, as you guys always know. Just interesting how the flares already protected my truck. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to order some touch-up paint because there's also a few rock chips when I wash the truck. There's still the haze on the paint. I'm looking at the hood right now. I can just see it. Whew. I cannot wait for springtime so I could just get a, you know, like a deep clean on this, full detail in and out. Some crazy and awesome installs coming your way. Obviously the parts I ordered, we'll see how, you know, how long it takes for them to get those in and shipped to me, but we got those coming. We got something coming Wednesday that's just huge, huge install. Huge install. Cannot wait for that. I know lots of people, not only me, but the whole internet has been waiting for. So that's going to be an awesome day Wednesday. I don't know if that video will go up Wednesday or Thursday, depending on when I'm able to get that mod installed. Yes, that one's going to be awesome. I'm so excited for that. More than quite a bit of other things right now. So that's Wednesday or Thursday at the latest. That'll be awesome. So guys, mods coming from the truck, stuff you guys don't know about yet, coming. Can't wait for warmer weather. Can't wait for truck and car meets. If you guys haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, shoot this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.